Hi, hello everyone. I'm here to present a new device which is for all of the Chevrolet standard from model 99 to date. Usually they have the same clutch pedal where the base of the pump is breaking. This is a very common failure in this type of truck. This is a 2017 model. It's not really that old and the base of the clutch is already damaged. So what are we going to do? We're going to try a device that I want to show you that without the need to dismantle the broken pedal, as you can see, it's only a screw practically and a wash that comes to place the damage that's on the foundation of the pedal base of the truck. As you can see here, we have the hole or the outgoing where the clutch pump is inserted. That base that is now there is the only thing that supports the pedal. But as you can see, it is damaged. The piece is broken, it has been damaged with the pressure of the pedal. So we have this base ready to have access to the new device. This pedal is giving a lot of trouble and it doesn't really cost much. Well, it's not too cheap, but it's about $75. The problem is to change it. If the mechanic doesn't have the necessary experience to do it, he's going to dismantle maybe the full board of the truck. So we're going to proceed and install the new device and we're going to tell you how it fits. We proceed to install it. Here are the Grease Monkey technicians who are going to do this demonstration on how this device is installed. A person is going into the truck's cabin to install the nut inside the pedal base where it's placed. This is the nut that goes inside and on the interior of the base of the pedal. So he's going to install it now, and on the side of the engine, it's very easy to install. This is the other part, the male. As you can see, there are some oppressors on the sides. We have two. Because since we just screw the base, these oppressors are going to function so that our device won't feel loose. We proceed to install it. There's the nut installed inside, and the male is installed in the engine compartment, as you can see. It's a screw, and we're going to add some pressure so that it adds with the coupling of the nut, just like a screw. We'll turn it a bit so that it has enough coupling. You keep on turning as if it were a screw. It's one very easy task. There you go. And now it's in place. Just make sure it's fully inserted. Make sure that it's not loose. And now it's perfectly installed. And as you can see, just with your hand, applying the necessary pressure, you don't really need any extra tools. And now the device is installed. We're going to align it so that it gives us the position to place the pump. And as easy as that, the pressures are still not tight. We put them on position, we put pressure on the oppressors, and then the pump. So now we're going with the pump. Here is the pump. As you can see, it has a lock that clicks with the pedal. Here's the base that locks with the new device that we just added. The installation is relatively easy. We are going a little bit slow, but the pump is installed. Easy. With just half a twist, and now it's in place. As you can see, this pump has some glue that was applied before as a remedy. As you can see, it's in place. Just turn it and the pump is in position. And that's it, the demonstration of this device that will be very soon in the market. For all Chevrolet model 2014 to date, which is the new type, and for the previous models 99 to 2013, the same device applies the same way. What's your name? My friend. Thanks a lot for your participation. As you can see, we're on a Grease Monkey workshop where they gracefully helped us do this video and promote this device, which is going to change and help us with the problem with the installation of this type of vehicles. I'm talking about the Chevrolet double wheel pickup 150, 250, 350. The whole standard session has this kind of support. Here is the solution. It's practical, economical, durable, since the piece is made of metal. Thanks very much for your attention.